Hello everyone, welcome to AWS Guru.Academy YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about how to create an AWS account, which is free and the first step for anybody who is getting started with their AWS journey. Before we get started with the steps, let's make sure that you have a valid email address, a phone number, and a credit or debit card, as you will need all of this information to create the AWS account. Let's get started. Visit website which is aws.amazon.com. As you can see on this page, there is a create AWS account button on the right side top corner. Click on that and that will take you to the sign up page. When you're on a sign up page, enter the email address that you want to use for this particular account and give your account a meaningful name. You can select a name as your personal name or your business account name, depending on the purpose of using this account. When you do that, you will receive a one-time password on your email asking you to validate the email. And that's what I'm adding over here to verify that this is my email address and I have access to it. Next step is to select the password that you want to use for logging in purpose. The password criteria has been given as well that you can use. And once you decide the password, go for the next step. The next step is to decide, is it for your personal use or for business purpose? For me, this is my personal use account. And so I'm just selecting personal use, adding my full name over here, selecting the phone number by country and the actual phone number. And you will also need to add your actual billing address or the address of your business. If you're creating an account for business, you must provide the accurate address, as this will be used for all communications with respect to sending the billing invoice and everything. Once you do that, you just click on I have read agreements and terms and go for the next step, which is the third step for payment. The third step for signing up is adding the credit card or a debit card information. As we discussed before, you will need a valid credit card or debit card. So I'm adding my credit card information here, and I'm also selecting that I don't have a PAN card right now. You can always update the settings later on and add your PAN card information. Once you add those details, click on verify and continue and go for the fourth step. Before you go for the fourth step, there is a step where it will validate your credit card by charging your cards of 2 rupees. So I'm adding OTP here and getting my card validated. Once that process is done, we will move towards verifying over the phone number and selecting the support plan that we want to use. So once that is done, now it says, decide if the primary use of this account is for personal or any other. I'm using just personal use, ownership type, individual ownership, and if you have any PAN card or anything that you would like to add, either driving license or any other information that you want to add. Once that is done, I consent to allowing AWS to use this information and click for the next step. And the last step here is to validate your phone number, where I'm selecting my country and adding the phone number and adding the security code. Perfect. The final step is to add OTP that I'll receive on my phone, validating that I have access to this phone number. Once adding all the personal information is completed, now we will need to select the type of support plan that we want. Basic support is free, where you can get all the account and billing related questions answered by AWS support 24/7. If you need a technical support from AWS, then you can select a different plan, developer, business, or any other. There is an option to compare support plans, and I have discussed that in a different video. I'm putting the link in the description for your reference. And once you select the support plan, you click on complete sign up, and that's it. You are done with the sign up process. It may take from few minutes to up to 24 hours for your AWS account to be activated. You will be receiving an email. Once you receive an email, you will be able to sign into the AWS account. Next step is to secure your AWS account by enabling multi-factor authentication for your AWS account. I have created a video to give you step-by-step guidance for the same. Check out the video that I have added into the description. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Happy cloud computing.